Tonight, with that rain, there is concern in one flood-prone Monterey County community. What's the community doing about it? KION's Natalie Gutierrez continuing our team coverage tonight from the Bolsa Knolls neighborhood.
Puddles formed in the Bolsa Knolls area as rain came down in the morning. Some people who have lived in Bolsa Knolls for years say they're trying their best to prepare for more rain, but still have concerns.
Ground saturation that happens out here because of the water table being high of the creek, I feel that we could wake up at any day now and be flooded out here.
Randall Dowdy says he's experienced 3 big floods since he's lived here. Monterey County says their public works department is all hands on deck.
Clearing of the drain inlets and the culverts in the Bolsa Knolls area for those locations that the county is responsible for and has jurisdiction over.
Monterey County says Public Works has a special district staff that do that work in the fall and through mid-November. But for people like Dowdy, he says he's still preparing just in case he needs to evacuate again.
We have plants here that absorb a lot of the water.
Dowdy says he also grabs sandbags and buys tarps to protect his home. Monterey County says they put out stockpiles of sandbags and they're refreshed as needed. In Bolsa Knolls, Natalie Gutierrez, KION News Channel 46.
Now, Monterey County says that their public works yard is in Prunedale. That's the one monitoring that area.